Today I'm going to show you how to fix your stuck Apple Watch strap. Let's dive right in. Here you can see my Apple Watch. This strap is not stuck, as you can see. You press and hold down the button in the back of your Apple Watch and slide your band either left or right and your strap will come off. Now let's flip it to the side of the band that's stuck. As you can see, I'm pressing down on the button, but it doesn't seem like it's going all the way down. And because of that, it's not allowing the strap to slide out. Now here comes the magic. What you're going to do now is turn on your faucet and run warm water. Make sure the water is not too hot, just warm. Now place your Apple Watch strap and button part right under the flowing warm water, just like this. Hold it here and run the water around these parts. Move the watch around a bit, and once in a while press and hold down the button so some warm water can flow through the inside of the button. I'm going to show you this process in real time so you can see for yourself how long it took for me to get my Apple Watch strap unstuck. Slowly, you'll soon notice you are able to press the button on the back of the watch down. Once you are able, press it down fully. You can try sliding the strap, and just like that, it will slide out. Hope this video helped you.